So we will now come to the discussion of a second question that we were given. The expressions were this is the first expression, this is the second expression, okay, and 2p square, and we can see that, and we were asked to find this, and we can see that these two expressions are really alike. So we can say that these two expressions actually represent that this is a quadratic equation and it has two roots, p and q. So we have gotten that p plus q is 3 by 2 and pq is 4 by 2, that is 2. Okay, so this is the expression we need to find. So we can just say that p cube plus q cube divided by pq whole cube. So we already know that p cube plus q cube, that can be written as what? P plus q whole cube minus 3pq into p plus q and divided by pq whole cube, right? So now what you can do is place the values. P plus q equals to 3 by 2 and pq equals to 2, and you will get your answer. Okay, so now we will go to the next question. The question is, if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of a equation that is x cube plus x minus 3 equals 0, then find out the value of alpha minus 1 alpha plus 1 plus beta minus 1 beta plus 1 plus gamma minus 1 gamma plus 1, and it is equal to 0. So we need to find that. Now over the top we can look at a particular property of this particular polynomial, that it does not have the x squared term. There is no x squared term present, no x squared term present. Do you see that? So if there is no x squared term present, that means that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 0, because we have read that the x squared term, negative of the x squared term by a, gives us the sum of the roots. Here it is 0, so the sum of the root is 0 by 1 a, which is 0. So we see that, and we also get that alpha into beta into gamma is equal to 3. We also know that. So now we have to find this expression. I'm really sorry that this was not equal to 0. This is just, we have to just find out what the value is. Please note that alpha minus 1 beta minus, this is the value we need to find. So what we will do first is that we can take several approaches, but we can just change the equation, and we can say that alpha minus 1 alpha plus 1 is equal to x. So we can churn out the value of alpha, that is alpha minus 1 equal to alpha x plus x, and so from here we need alpha, so we can write that alpha minus alpha x equal to x plus 1, and alpha is equal to x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x. You see that here there will be a 1 minus x term, and so we can just put it here. Okay, so this will be our value of x, sorry, this will be our value of alpha, and since alpha is the root of this equation, you will get another equation, and when you will find the roots of this, and when you will find the x squared term in that equation, you will find the sum of this. But we can also take a lenient approach. We can take a lenient approach. Just thinking what we can take approach here. You can like also use the fact that alpha cube plus alpha minus 3 is equal to what? 0. So alpha minus 1 minus 2 is equal to alpha cube, or we can say that negative alpha cube. So alpha minus 1 is equal to 2 minus alpha cube. And from here we can also derive the fact that alpha squared into alpha plus 1, this comes out to be 3. Sorry, not alpha plus alpha plus 1,